Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Young Money Investing. Today, I've got another trading recap for you from this morning, which is Tuesday, May the 2nd. I went 1 for 1 this morning, 100% accuracy, which is always great to see. Should have done better than I actually did. I took about 50 points. The full length of the move was about 200 points. So unfortunately, I only took about a quarter of what was up for grabs. And I did take profit early, but I have been on a bit of a losing streak recently. It has been affecting my confidence. So the fact that I was able to get kind of a solid winner, it wasn't great by any means, but I am happy to get that W under the belt at all. So hopefully I'm able to build on this for the rest of the week, as I haven't really been able to catch a smooth streak for several weeks now. Have largely been just trading losers, which, as I mentioned before, it does at some point start to impact your confidence. So I did get in there. I got a winner today, 1 for 1 accuracy, and was able to make about $100. So let's go ahead and jump into the trade. All right, so starting out, we're on the 5-minute time frame for the NASDAQ, looking at the MNQ. As you can see here, this is the 6:30 open. You see this big long wick push up to the top of the channel, red candle push back down, and then this doji candle right here, and then this green candle pushing back up into VWAP is where I got my entrance. So kind of for context, we were in this descending triangle in the pre-market. So I saw this resistance above it, which we tagged right after midnight. And I formed a bearish hypothesis and thought that we were going to break out the bottom of this channel and come down to this green supply area down here. So that is pretty much what happened. I got my entry. Entry could have been a little better. I got in at 292. Should have set it a little bit higher, maybe closer to about 13,300. Would have been a slightly better entry. You can see the next candle, we wick up slightly above the 50-day moving average before you see the breakdown. Now, unfortunately, I didn't take the whole move down to 13,211 was where I originally had my take profit. I saw this kind of long wick here, followed by another wick that was almost a double bottom. It was about 2 points higher. Yeah, you see the low here is 226. Next candle, the low is 228. Price action kind of started to push back up, and then you can see that I took profit at 241. So that was about another 30 points I left on my table. So between the entry and the exit of my trade, that's about 40 points I left on the table. And obviously you see this complete breakdown until about 8 a.m. Could have taken that for another 100 points or so. All in all, not the greatest trade, but I did get in. My hypothesis played out. I should have held it until the take profit. That's just completely inexcusable, but I got the winner. I have not been having a great time trading recently. It's been very tough. There's been a lot of losers. My winning percentage over the past month or so is probably about 30%, which is fairly low for me. I'm usually right around 50, 60%, which is, that's decent. But like I said, just really tough couple of weeks. So I'm hoping to kind of roll this into the rest of the week, kind of build some confidence, build some momentum, and build my account back up, because I am about $300 in the hole right now, which is not terrible by any means, but it's also not profitable. So that's it for me. I hope you guys smash the rest of your week, and I hope you make bucket loads of money, and I hope I make bucket loads of money. So if you want to make bucket loads of money, go down, click that subscribe button, and smash that like button. Let's try to get me to 100 subs by the end of this month. I see no reason why we can't do it. But I think that's it for me. So until next time, peace out, homies.